Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Ginger Planner, aka Becky. I have a Hobonichi size kit here today by Pretty Planner Studio. Again, this is part of the PR Repping Kit that I used in my last plan with me. And today I'm going to show you how I would use a Hobonichi size kit to fill in a personal sized planner. I also have leftovers from last week's vertical kit as well that I might throw in here too, and a few other bits and pieces that I'll show you along the way. But without me talking too much, let's get started. So to kick things off, I'm just going to quickly mention that my inserts are from Chasing Planner Piece, and I love these so much for my personal size planner because they have the traditional size vertical boxes, and it just makes it so much easier to put a nice layout. You have a little to-do box here, which I really love, and it just keeps my planner nice and tidy. In my personal size planner, I don't go so much for the no white space like I do in my vertical planner, but we'll play around today and see what we can come up with because we have so many gorgeous stickers in this kit. Now, the Pretty Planner Studio PR Repping Kit, it is a 6-page kit. I did use a couple of stickers from this kit when I did my large vertical spread just because I really loved the size of some of the stickers. So you will notice that a few of them are missing from this kit. You get such a lot of bang for your buck from Karen's store, so I really recommend that you go and check her out, especially if you really are into like the kawaii cute aesthetic. I love it, and I love the colors of this kit too. So to start off with, I'm just going to lay down some washi tape. Now, as I mentioned, I'm not going so much for the no white space kind of vibe in these planners, so I'm just going to go ahead and lay this across the top. Now, I'm probably going to speed through a lot of this plan with me because I don't want to waffle on too much, and honestly, I'm trying to get out about 3 videos this weekend, so it's going to be a little bit of a busy time for me. And I'm just going to see how this looks, and that's perfect. Now, I don't know too much about Hobonichi planning just because I am fairly new to the planning world, as I've mentioned so many times before, but I'd be really interested to try out lots of different kinds of planners. So if you have a request for a style of plan with me that you would like to see, definitely let me know, because I definitely, the aim of this channel is to learn together. So if there's any newbies out there, give me a shout out, let me know that you're here. I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. It's all about, as my favorite uni professor would say, learning by doing. Now that looks gorgeous. I love that so much. Okay, you guys, so I've just laid down the washi, and what I'm first going to do is start with my to-do box, and I'm going to go ahead and use the top goal sticker. I'm going to do pink this time, I believe. And now you're probably wondering how this is all going to turn out, because obviously Hobonichi size kits are created for the Hobonichi planners, and so as you can see, they don't fit in a full vertical box. Don't worry, we're going to fix that. You're not even going to notice by the time I'm done with it. We're going to work some magic. All right, so also going to put in, let's see, I'm just trying to think if I have appointments this week. I don't think I do. I definitely have a podcast that I'm listening to. Anyone that's into true crime, please let me know. I'm currently listening to the Voices for Justice podcast, which is by Sarah Turney, where she talks about her sister Alyssa, who's been missing for a long time, and it's been such an emotional journey listening to her entire story. I highly recommend it if you like true crime and true stories, and also just want to give support there. I would highly recommend you check it out. It's on Spotify. I will link it below for you. And watching, guys, there's been so much YouTube drama popping off this week. I'm actually trying to avoid it, so I'm going to start getting back into Supernatural because my hubby has just started watching. I just realized I forgot to put my wedding ring on. Okay, so we have my to-do box done. It just has a top goals list here. So first off, I just want to shout out, thank you so much. I've just hit, I think, 120 followers on Instagram, and I'm blown away because I only started my planogram like 3 or 4 weeks ago. It's only been a couple of weeks that I've been posting regularly. So thank you so much, you guys. I super appreciate that. So my goal this week is I want to get to 200. I only have 10 subscribers or so on YouTube, and you know what, that's fine. I'm really more doing this for me than anything else, but hopefully we can grow that to 15. So if you like this video, please subscribe. All right, so what I'm going to do is just lay out the week. Now, again, this is just for social media. That's all I'm tracking on here. My other planner has everything else that's like work and life related. So this is just to remind me how often that I want to post on social media. What I'm going to quickly do, and I'm going to time lapse it, I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do with the date boxes, and then we'll get back to popping some more fun stuff on here. Guys, I'm loving these colors again. This color scheme just works so great. I love how the colors fade into each other like an ombre almost. So I've put down these little post-it notes, just some little boxes here and some checklists that I can use. Now I'm going to go ahead and cover up this whiteout. I'm going to put some characters down and some script. Then we're going to finish with some foil and some washi, and I will link everything that I'm using down below, but I'm loving this so far, and I will check back with you shortly. Loving this so far. So I've put my YouTube sticker down on Saturday, which is the day that I typically film. I've put my little Instagram guide just here. I used some of the very skinny washi to line the top of this so I could put the this week header down. I've put this gorgeous sticker up here so you guys know to go to Instagram and follow at Pretty Planner Studio and hashtag them in any posts when you use their kits. And now I'm going to go ahead and put my little date dots in and some foil and some little sparklies, because you guys know I'm all about bling over here. So I'm just going to time lapse that. Looks like. I absolutely love it. So my little hollow date dots are actually from a perforated strip of washi that I got in a D-stash, and I believe they're by Rose Colored Days. Most of the little foil accents are, we've got the laptops from Arctic Paper Studio, we have this little shopping haul script from Live, Love and Craft Papercraft. This little upload is from Arctic Paper Studio, and these foiled headers are from Busy Bee Prints, and I will link all of those shops down below. But you guys, I absolutely love this. So as you can tell, there's a big difference between the way that I do a spread in my personal planner versus my no white space in my bigger size planner. There will be a new plan with me coming very soon in that kit. I have a really cool kit that I'm very excited about. I'm going to keep up with the content here on YouTube. I'm going to be doing happy mails and all sorts of fun things. So if you like this video, please subscribe. Please leave me any feedback. I'm trying to keep the videos shorter so that I can upload more. Please follow me at Instagram at that.gingerplanner. And pretty please head on over to Karen's beautiful store, Pretty Planner Studio. All the links in the description box. And you guys, thanks again so much for joining me. See you next time.